All right, we're over at Alamo. The sign's say Alamo, but this is actually just kind of reserve overflow here. So wow, man, we got all these special trims. So this is another Gladiator. And, you know, I'm going to have to look all these up on the website. So this one says Willys on it. I don't know what the heck that trim level is, or the interior kind of looks similar. Yeah, you never know what you're going to see these days with the car shortage. Just about everything's showing up here. We got a couple more of these Mercedes SUVs. What are these? 330s or 300s? GLC 300s. We've got 3 of them here. These might be brand new. That's the way they're just kind of stacked in here. Now these Rubicon Gladiators in green with the fabric cover over the truck bed on the back. And you can kind of just see more of the, oh boy, lots in the overflow here. Oh, you even got a couple Polestars in the overflow here. A couple Durangos over there. Another 3 Series BMW. Yeah, I wonder if these are, quite a few of these might be, no, geez, another Polestar. A bunch of these are probably fairly new. We got another X3. Lots of Polestars. I wonder if they got some more Polestars in. Are these? I don't know the electric license plate. So these are 2 more with a performance pack on it. We can see what the mileage comes up as. Oh, it just shows the range. Yeah, I think you got to hit the key to get the mileage on. Anyway, that's okay. And GLC over there, another X3. You got a 4Runner, and so this. I wanted to see where this Palisade is from. So this because it didn't have a license plate on the front. This could be a U.S. Oh no, it's Quebec. Okay. Let's just take a quick. Oh, this is nice. I'll wait for everything to light up here. Oh, it's got a few miles on it. Okay, it's almost got 50,000 on it. Sunroof. And we got somebody taking that Mustang. Some people taking a Durango over here. We got an electric Kona here from New York City. Shout out to my friend Jonathan that's got an electric Kona. Let's just take a quick peek for him inside. This one's got 9,000 miles on it. Kona Electric, New York. And we'll just wander over to the Alamo side here. Again, these are, the signs say Alamo, but this is kind of just where they park their reserve cars. So we got a couple more Polestars here. We got somebody leaving in a GMC AT4 pickup truck. This one's a performance pack. Is this one? Okay, so that was not the performance pack, but this one is the performance pack. Great to see them getting some more of these here. We got a Chrysler 300, got a Mitsubishi, a Trailblazer, another 3 Series BMW, Malibu, and somebody's taking that Mazda. We got an Edge, and I just want to show you guys this Dodge Charger. So it's still the GT, but man, whoever ordered this did a nice job. They put that stripe on it. And it's got the, let's see if I can get in here. Sorry about that. So it's got the yellow stitching on the trim here too. And it's also got the spoiler on the back. So this one's fairly new. It's only got about 2,000 kilometers on it. And we got another 3 Series BMW, another BMW 2 Series here. And I think that's going to wrap things up. All right. Thanks, everyone, for watching. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. We're getting really close to 1,000. And if you want to see more of these videos, go ahead and click that like button. I'll see you guys in the next one.